When you're trying to decide between ServiceNow and Jira Service Management for your help desk, the decision can be overwhelming. Both platforms have earned their place in the market, but which one is best for your needs? In this video, I'll break down key factors that set these two apart and help you make an informed choice. Stay tuned, because I'll also share a great alternative at the end that could change everything for you. Let's start with the most important aspect for any help desk: usability. ServiceNow, while powerful, can feel like it's built for larger organizations with complex needs. It's highly customizable, but that can come with a steep learning curve. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, tends to be more user-friendly right out of the box. If you're looking for something that's easy to set up and navigate, Jira might win here. Next thing, let's talk about features. ServiceNow is known for its wide range of enterprise-grade features like IT asset management, incident management, and a solid knowledge base. It's built to scale, which makes it a go-to for larger companies. Jira Service Management, while no slouch in the features department, leans more towards ITSM capabilities and workflows. It integrates seamlessly with Jira software, so it's a great choice if you're already using Jira for project management. But in terms of depth and breadth of features, ServiceNow takes the edge. Now, let's compare the pricing. ServiceNow can be pretty expensive, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Its pricing model is not always transparent, and you often need to contact sales for an accurate quote. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, offers more flexibility in pricing, especially with its tiered options. It's often seen as the more affordable option for teams that don't need all the enterprise-level features that ServiceNow offers. But keep in mind that lower price tag can sometimes mean less comprehensive customer support. The fourth thing is customer support. ServiceNow offers strong support, but it's mostly geared towards large companies. You'll get access to a dedicated support team, but expect long response times unless you're on a premium plan. Jira Service Management support is decent, but it can be hit or miss depending on the pricing tier. For smaller teams, Jira's community support can be helpful, but larger teams might find themselves needing more direct assistance. Next up, we have integrations. ServiceNow is a powerhouse when it comes to integrating with a variety of third-party tools and enterprise systems. But the complexity of setting up those integrations can be a hassle for smaller teams without an IT department. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, thrives with integrations, especially for teams already using Atlassian tools like Jira Software and Confluence. It's a smoother experience if you're already invested in their ecosystem. And finally, performance. While both platforms perform well, ServiceNow's massive range of capabilities and heavy customization options can slow things down, particularly if you're dealing with a large amount of data. Jira Service Management, though often simpler in structure, is nimble and responsive, making it ideal for teams that prioritize speed and efficiency over a large number of features. So, after considering all these factors, you might be wondering, what's the best choice? Well, both ServiceNow and Jira Service Management are strong contenders, but they serve different kinds of businesses. If you're a large enterprise looking for an all-in-one solution with deep customization, ServiceNow could be the best fit. However, if you're a smaller business or already using Jira software, Jira Service Management might be the better option for you. But here's the thing, after trying both, I've found a better alternative for those who need a simple yet powerful help desk solution that's easy to set up and scale. If you want to explore this alternative and take advantage of an exclusive free trial, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best trial available, along with some unique benefits just for watching this video. Don't miss out.